Hello, Team 4. This is Byron with my Project 4 summary conclusion deal. So, we started with the assignment to pick an article about typography in web and to place it into a InDesign document and to develop the paragraph and character settings. And so this is my initial draft with just open spaces for the frames as the footer and header. The general trend here was to just try and develop a hierarchy within the type to make it more user-friendly. Here is my series of headers that I designed. The first one was Type Matters. I tried really kind of building perspective and making it look like the Type Matters was built along the wood, but that didn't work out so well because of my lack of skills. But it was kind of a neat idea. Moving along, something very minimal and simplistic, but I love the large Garamond style that you see here. Moving on. The Type Matters kind of went along the whole banner style that's really popular right now. And then another one using a lot of typography. And then this is the one that I ended up with. I love textures and working with them, and so I ended up doing the door and the wood paneling and making that kind of a theme for the whole website. I moved away from the search box, and I instead of just create a little graphic of the magnifying glass, and so it says search, but you don't actually have to, it's not typed in there, which is kind of nice. Here's my final product. We'll scroll through here. So here's the header implemented with everything. I changed the font to a Helvetica-like font, Helvetica Neue, and going through, I adjusted the font. I added a graphic to bring color. I also produced some shadows to create more depth within the composition, and worked a little more on my paragraph styles, my spacing, and I really like how it turned out. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.